Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to have something new today. It's only going to last for 3 months, aka 3 boxes. For those of you who's watching knows about some money stuff, this is something I pre-ordered a long time ago, and I'm only getting it for 3 months. So for those who are watching, it's a long time ago I paid for this. So because I haven't really got the money right now for these kind of stuff, but I had some time ago. So yeah, let's start. As you would have seen in the description or the title of this video, I've got a loot crate. This is the March Loot Crate edition. I've got it for a couple of days, but yeah, it's time to open. I have seen what's in the box. As you can see, it's opened. But when I got the box, it was kind of a dark time. I have to film these videos when the sun is up and such like that, and I've been working in these times since I got the box, so yeah. But we'll start off with trying to find that beautiful little thing here. A Covert Lootcrate magazine. The theme of this month is Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I believe it's yeah. Now this theme is covered, and there's a lot of agent stuff and such. Let's just read what stands on the first page. If you're reading this message, Agent 1337, the Covert status has been compromised and we cannot send backup. However, we are able to get this loot crate to you before our contact line went dark. Enclosed, you will find all the tools necessary to get back to HQ without not only your life but with valuable intel interact as well. The odds are against you, but the correct tools and your shapest fit we should meet again in the near future. Good luck and geek speed. 1337. Thank you, Loot Crate team. Yes. So there's a lot of photos from Instagram from the last Loot Crate. Yeah. So then there's some James Bond stuff and some Austin Powers stuff. Just going to hold this. Top secret. And a lot of more stuff, and something about a mega crate. I would like to win that. So we get to the time of the things that's in the box, and let's just say I'm going to go after the box, after the magazine. Go after the magazine choices. So we're going to start off with this awesome t-shirt. It's a James Bond t-shirt. And it's a joke about the martini. He gets it's non-steered, and he got a steel one. So yeah, if you've been watching James Bond, you would know. But I love it. I kind of think it's sad that it's white, because you can see through that. So it isn't one I can just take on with only a bra under. But yeah, I love this shirt, so I can't wait to put it on. Yeah, put it on. Does it look great? I love it. I really do. Yeah. Let's find the next one. It's a stealth wrist watch, and I'm not quite sure how it works. It's shown as this in the magazine. So I guess it's just a watch. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, you press this button and it will show you the time, but it doesn't really have this right time. But yeah, I'll find out how to set the time. But it's kind of special. Maybe I will use it, maybe I won't. Yeah. Next item in the magazine. Wow. Let's see. It's this block, Mad Libs, and it says one thing always missing from a secret agent's kit is something to do when you're bored, while you're planning a fun stalk out. Just whip out the Mad Libs, and you and your fellow agents howl with laughter. You just don't laugh too hard, or you'll give away your cover. And it's kind of one of those insert a word things where you find you insert some words and stuff. It's actually kind of something you get in the school. I will try looking at some of this. I think it's going to be funny. I hope so. Let's see. The next thing is these two things, I believe. Yeah. Let's just start with this. It's like this. It's one of these kind of things with the grip on. So I believe there's something in this I can put on. Using a knife. And this is EFX Collectibles, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. And in this I get a kind of shield agent card, I believe. So, like this. So now I can get inside to shield and such like that. Let's just fix this. Yeah. So now I have my agent pass. I'll be able to get inside the HQ when I get back from my mission. Yeah. And the next thing is a survival bracelet. And this is it. It's just the bracelet. Kind of good looking. This is a Lootcrate thing, as you can see on the logo, but it is kind of basic bracelet thing. I think it fits pretty good with this. Yeah, and the next thing is a Orphan Black comics exclusive comic book. Yeah. So I can't wait to read this. I haven't actually opened it yet, so I can't wait to take a look at this. Yeah. Haven't seen this before, but I can't wait to read it. I really can't. The next thing is field notes, and these are small books, and they were meant to come in this thing where there was classified on. So this is the small book an officer or an agent writing with thoughts and such. So it's actually these, one with lines and one with these, so I can make drawings and such. Yeah. So then I get the Lootcrate March badge. I hope it focuses. If it doesn't, I will put up a 3-second photo of it. Yeah. So then there's just a little announcement thing. It comes in the normal Lootcrate box, but inside it comes as a computer, right? So it comes with a keyboard and a screen. I think it's quite nice. Yeah. So yeah. This was the first Lootcrate. I'll get 2 more, and then we'll have to see if I'm going to get more of them. But I really quite liked this Lootcrate, and yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Just me showing it to you guys. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next Lootcrate video in a month. Bye!
So long, farewell, I don't say goodbye. Over here, mate. I reckon it's this part. It's must.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and a favorite if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video.